Good morning, dear student. Class 7. Today's our topic is integer and division of integer. Okay. Now, I'm going to tell you how we divide the integers and how we apply the operations. Okay. See the question number first. This is written here minus 35 divided by 7. Okay. So minus 35 divided by 7, what you will get? Find the value of each. See here, minus 35. You are dividing it by 7. What you will get? So when you divide it by 7, it means what are you doing? You're doing just like this. See, minus 35. The division value. This is your divisor, and this is your division. So you divide it by 7. Okay. Now whenever you divide it, what you will get? See, read the table of 7 till 35 are less than 35. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35. So you should write here 5. What? Which sign you use here? You use here this negative sign because here this negative sign is left this sign. So this you also apply here. Okay. So your final answer is minus 5. What is your final answer? Minus 5. In this way you solve your A part. Question number 1. A part. Okay. Now the next part. 48 divided by minus 6. Here you this minus 6 you separate first, then 48 you divide by 6, what you will get? 6 8s are 48, and this negative sign you also put in front of it, then you will get minus 8. Here one thing you notice here this minus, these both minus you have to cancel. Why you have to cancel? See why. Minus 72 divided by minus 9. I am writing the divide by minus 9 in denominator. Okay. See. Now you divide it, what you will get? See here. This minus, and this minus cancel. Cancel means then these are become positive. Okay. Now 9 8 are 72. So your answer is plus 8 only. Okay. If you not write here symbol, it means plus 10. Positive 10. Now D part is very simple. You do yourself. Minus 1 you will get your answer. E part 0 divided by minus 10. 0 divided by minus 10 you will get 0. Okay. 0 divided by minus 10. 0 divided by minus 10. You will get 0 upon minus 10, and 0 upon minus 10 means your answer is 0. Okay. Means from 10 values you haven't take any value. Okay. It means your answer is 0. But whenever you are doing like that, 10 divided by 0, then what is your answer possible? Then you say our answer is not possible, means this value does not exist. Just you say what? This value does not exist. Okay, why? does not exist. Okay, why? Because you can write this 10 upon 0, and you know that in denominator if you are 0 and you are taking 10, this is impossible condition, you can't take. So your answer always, if you divide by 10 divided by 0, or this 10 divided by this, in this way you are writing, in the both cases you will say our answer does not exist. Okay, this value is not defined. Okay, now next, f part 24 divided by minus 3 plus 2. Okay, according to BODMAS rule, this is a problem of simplification. How you can do this problem? First you solve the bracket. Okay, see how we can do this question. Minus, sorry, 24 f part 24 divided by which value? In bracket there is minus 3 and plus 2. Now you have to find out this value, its answer. You know that first our task is what? First our task according to BODMAS will solve the bracket. This is your bracket and this is square bracket. In a square bracket what is written here? This small bracket. The small bracket there is no further value. It means its answer is minus 3 here. Now minus 3 plus 2. What you will get? See, this is your minus 3 and this is your plus 2. Okay, solve it. What you will get? You say 24 divided by this minus 3 and plus 2. You see here the both are having a different sign. If the different sign they are having, then we have to find difference. So 3 and plus 2 is 3 and 2, its difference is 3 minus 2, you will get 1. And what sign you apply? The 3 is bigger value here, so you write the negative sign in front of 1, means you write minus 1 here. Okay, now if you divide 24 by minus 1, you will get your answer minus 24. Okay, because 24 1 24s are 24 and minus 1 you multiply, then you will get minus 24. Okay, otherwise you can do here multiply by minus 1 multiply, then you will get here in denominator positive 1 and you will get numerator in negative terms. Okay, so this is your final answer. Okay, see your final answer minus 24. Okay, now G part very simple, you do yourself. First you solve this bracket, 5 6 are 30, you will get your minus 6, then after you divide by 3 you will get final answer minus 2, 3 2 the 6. Okay, similarly here this part, in this part what you will do, H part, you see minus 20 divided by minus 20 plus 9. Okay, this is your bracket. First you solve this bracket. Here both are having the same sign because this minus plus minus and this minus both are having same sign, then it becomes minus 29 and minus 29 divided by minus 29 you will get plus 1. its answer plus 1. So this part you do yourself. Okay. Now question number 2. Verify this is not equal to this, and third part, both are the same part. Okay. So I am telling here only one part, and the other part you try yourself. Okay, see here the part A divided by B A divided by B divided by C. Okay. And the next is written A divided by B and bracket B divided by C. Okay. So here value of A, what is given here? A value is given here 40. Okay. What is A given? A is given you 40. And B equal to given you minus 20. And this is minus 20. And C equal to given you minus 2. Okay. Now see here. So this is your LHS side. This is your LHS side. And this is your RHS side. Okay. Now first we solve LHS side. See in LHS side what is written here? A divided by B. First you write in bracket A value what is given in your book. C 40. Okay. And divide by it B value what is given? Minus 20. You write here minus 20. Okay. Now close this. Again it divide by C value what is? Minus 2. Okay. See now how we solve this. This is your bracket, and in this bracket here the two term, in this bracket only one term. First we solve this bracket, and when you solve it, this 40 divided by 20, you will get 20 to the 40. You will get here 2. What? Which one? 2 plus or minus? So you see this is minus sign here, this is plus sign. So plus and denominator, there are the both are having a different sign, so you write here minus. Okay. Whenever you are getting a different sign, you write here minus. Now this minus 2, this bracket we have solved, and what is the next sign is division. This division sign you apply. Next term is minus 2, this minus 2 you write here. Okay. Now you again solve this. This minus 2 is need to divide by minus 2. See here, this both are having the same terms. When you divide by the same term by same term, you will get the positive sign. Okay, and see here, this minus minus cancel, 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja cancel. So otherwise you can see from this way also. See in this way we can write minus 2 divided by minus 2 if you want to write like this. Okay. and your answer, see, minus 2 cancel, this minus 2 cancel, your answer is plus 1. Okay, means LHS side we have got a plus 1 answer. Now we are talking about now for RHS side. We are going to solve now RHS side. How we can solve? See, A, what is 40? Okay, A is 40, divide by B. B, what is there? B is minus 20. This minus 20 is divided by C. C value what is here? Minus 2. Okay. Now close this bracket. Simplify it. See, this is a bracket. According to word mass rule, you have to solve first bracket. This minus 20 you divide by 2. 2 times are 20. Okay. We have read table. Now you see this is minus sign, this is minus sign. Both are having the same sign. It means you will get your answer in the form of positive. Okay. Now you write 40. This value first you write, then you write division value. Okay. Now you have solved it. 2 times the 20. So you write here plus 10, not minus. I have told you why. Okay. Now you see this 40 you have to divide by 10. So if you dividing this 40 by 10, 10 for the 40 means your final answer is 4. And what is this is plus 4. You see this value and this value both are not equal. This is 1, this is 4. So that you say here this value and this value is not equal. So this equal sign you have to cross by like this line. This also make a line in your book. You can see. Okay, it means our answer is verified. LHS side and RHS side is not equal, then we simply say verified. Okay, means LHS side and RHS side we haven't got equal. Okay, I hope you understand this problem. Now next, fill in the blanks. This what you write here. See, minus 6 you want to get 18, which positive. Okay, how you can get positive? You have to take in the left side also the same sign. Same sign means we have to take minus value. Okay, minus into minus we will get plus. Okay, see again the rule. If you forget, minus, multiply, minus, you will get here plus. Okay, similarly you want to minus, multiply, plus, you will get here minus, plus, multiply, minus, you get minus, and plus, multiply, plus, you get plus. Okay, one thing you notice here, here the negative sign and here are the positive sign. Okay, in these two cases you note that what you note in that negative into negative means same sign into same sign, and here you also can see that same sign into same sign. So you will get the same result, means you will get positive only. So you see, minus into minus we have got plus, and plus into plus we will get plus, and a different sign we will get here minus. Okay, so you learn it. Same sign multiply, we will get positive value. Similarly in division, when the same sign present numerator and denominator, then you will get the result in positive. Okay, now I hope you understand this concept. So this concept we apply in this question also. You want to get your result in positive form. It means this is negative. So you also need a one another value here in the form of negative. So we must write here the negative value. What we write? So we'll get 18. 6 table you have to read. 6 1 6, 6 2 12, 6 3 18. It means we have to write here minus 3. What you write here? Minus 3. Okay. Similarly, here you want to get positive 20. So how you can get the positive 20? 4 5s are 20. Okay, good. Do you say plus 5? No, because we need to have plus 20. If we need plus 20, so this value must be negative, because this value is negative. So this, again we need the same sign. Same sign means this value is minus. So again we write here minus 5. Here this is negative sign, so we can use here different sign. This is minus, so you write here plus. Okay, plus 7 4 the 28, so you write here plus 4. What you write here? Plus 4. Okay, in the D part you want to get minus 1. So how you can get minus 1? You have to divide it by minus 90. Okay, so you write here minus 98 and 98, because you have to take here the difference sign. This 98 is in the form of here positive, so you write here negative number. Its negative value is minus 98, and minus 98 you divide by 98, you will get minus 1. Okay, question 5. Replace the okay, replace the blank integer to make it true statement. Okay, means we have to write here something, and then we will get this result. So see, minus 5 multiply you will get 30. So by which number it should be multiplied? So you see here this result again in the form of positive. So here negative. So again the next value we have to take negative, then we will get result in positive. So we have to write here minus, and what we write minus? 5 6 are. It means minus 6. 5 6 are 30, and minus into minus plus. Okay, similarly here you get a result in the form of positive. So you, this value is positive, so you need a same sign. Same sign means positive value. Okay, and positive value 7 6 are 42. Here you write 6, here you write minus 8, because the same sign gives positive result. Here again you see the minus and minus, so you write here different sign, and what you write here? Plus 11. Okay, question number 6. Write 5 pairs of integer a b such that a plus b equal to minus 5. Such pair is 10 minus 2, because okay, sorry, यहाँ पे here is division. Okay, a divided by b you will get minus 5. Now one such pair is 10 divided by 2, 10 comma minus 2, because 10 divided by minus 2 you will get minus 5. Okay, we need to write some more pair. Okay, see, a divided by b we want to get minus 5. What can the values are possible? A divided by b, what you will get? Minus 5. Okay, see how can this result possible? I have told you, when you choosing the different sign, then you will get minus. Okay, so in this way we can choose a positive, b negative, or a negative, b positive. Okay, anyone you can choose. So I am choosing a positive here, sorry, a negative and be positive. Okay, suppose I write here one integer minus 15 and divide by 3. So you see what you will get? You will get minus 5, same here. Okay, now again I can write here minus 20 divide by 4. We will get again minus 5. And such pair, how we need to write? We need to write here such pair 4 pairs 5. Okay. 5 pair we need to write. So one pair is this, second pair is this, and one pair already given in your book. The 3 pair we have got. Now the 2 pair are left. So you can write here 25 divide minus 25 divided by minus 5. Sorry, minus 25 divided by 5 you will get minus 5, and minus 30 divided by 6 you will get minus 5, and many more are possible. Okay. Now the next question 7. The temperature at noon the temperature at noon at a certain place is 12 degree above 0. Okay, above 0 means you take this positive. Okay, so we have taken this positive, and how much this is? 12 degree. Okay, 12 degree you write. Next, what is telling question? If it decreases at a rate of 2 degree per hour until midnight. Okay, this is at which time? 12 noon. When 12 noon. Okay, 12 noon. Now you have to tell what is the temperature at 12 midnight. Midnight. Okay, you write language yourself. I am just telling you how you need to do. See, 12 noon to 12 midnight, how much the difference of hours means how many hours you needed to move. 12 after 1, 2, 3 and so on means till 12 midnight you have to expand 12 hours. How many hours? 12 hours. Okay, you are expanding 12 hours. If you are expanding 12 hours, and one thing you know that in 1 hour how much it is decreases, what time it decreases? 8 degrees Celsius below, and its decreasing rate is 2 degree. It decreases in 1 hour how much? In 1 hour it is decreases 2 degree. It is decreases 2 degree. 12 hour it decreases 12 to the 24 degree. Okay, how much? 24 degree. I am not writing a degree, you write yourself degree. Now this is a 24 degree temperature decreases in 12 hours. what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below zero, and what would be the temperature at midnight? First, we are talking about midnight. Midnight, this temperature decreases 24. 24 degrees means this becomes negative. So in the starting, how much this temperature? 12 degree. In the starting, this temperature how much? 12 degree. Okay. Now this is decreases. How much it is decreases? 24, because in 12 hours it decreases 24 degrees Celsius. So you have to write a negative sign. And 12 minus 24, what you will get here? 12 minus 24, both are having a different sign. This is having plus sign, this is having minus sign. It means we have to find difference. 24 minus 12, you will get 12. You will get 12, and what sign you have to place here? You have to place here negative sign. Okay, you have to place here negative sign. It means at midnight, what is this temperature? Minus 12. Okay. One thing we need to find more. At what time would the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius below zero? For below zero, what you write? Below zero means negative 8 degrees. What is negative 8 degrees Celsius? At which time this happens? Okay, see this minus 12 this happens at 12 midnight. 12 midnight before, just 1 hour before what temperature? Means at 11 in night, means 11 p.m. What is your temperature? You say, sir, minus 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, at 11 p.m. in night. You can identify how, because in 1 hour this temperature decreases. So if we are moving in backward, then it increases. Okay, so 12 minus 2, 12 plus 2, what you will get? Minus 10. Okay, just 1 hour before this temperature, what is? You say, so minus 8 degree. Okay, how much it is? Minus 8. At which time? You say, sir, 10 p.m. At which time? 10 p.m. This is your logical way. This is your logical way. How mathematically we can find it? See, this is your clock. At 12 hour, what is this temperature? 12 degrees Celsius. Okay, and till this 6 p.m. how much it covers? Are 6 hours. In 6 hours, how much it is temperature? 6 to the 12. It means this becomes at 0. At 6 o'clock, this temperature becomes your 0. Then after it, at 7 minus 2, at 8 minus 4, at 9 minus 6. Okay, and at 10 minus 8. Okay, it means your final answer is 10 p.m. Okay, I hope you understand this question. Now next question number 8. Question number 8 telling that a submarine was 60 meter below sea level. For below means downward direction. So in downward direction you have to use negative sign or positive sign? Negative sign. Okay, so you write here minus 60. Okay, then after question is telling it started to descend at the rate of 2 meter per second. How long would it take to reach minus 200 meter level? Okay, it descends at a rate of 2 meter. For descent, you have to use negative sign. Okay. -2 degree this descent, and where he want to reach -200 meter. Okay, means from here, this is your sea level, this is your more deepest level. From here to here you are coming in sea. How much distance you traveled? What you need to find, distance between 2 points, you have to find the difference between them. You have to find difference in between them. So -200 and 60, its difference. So what is the bigger value? You say, sir, -60. Okay, I have told you, in the number line, the value which lie in the left side is smaller. So -200 lie in the very left side to -60. So this value is a smaller value. This means -60 is your greater value. If you want to find difference, so you write here bigger value -60, and smaller value, what is here, -200. Okay, I am telling you find difference. How you can find difference? You have to subtract, because -60 is bigger value. Bigger value minus smaller value, then you will get your difference. Both are negative because both are lying in the downward direction. Okay, now this -60 and this minus plus, so this is your +200. Okay, now what you are getting here, 200 -60, you will get here 140. What you get here, 140. Okay, this 140 distance traveled in how much time? This you need to tell. So this, in 1 second, how much it decreased? 2 meter. So 140 in how many seconds? You see, this is in 1 second. Okay, so this -2, you want to make it 140. How you can make it 140? You should multiply it by 70. When you multiply it by 70, what you will get? 140 meter. And your distance increase, means your time is also increased, so you should also time multiply by 70. You get your answer is 70 second. Okay, your answer is 70 second. Okay, and another word you can also do, this 140 you divide by 2, you will get 70 second. Okay, this exercise is finished. I hope you understand these all questions and do the practice and do your work. Thank you, class.